Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Financeable, where we upload videos related to finance, and in today's video I'll be teaching you how to change to decimal on BetMGM. Before getting started, if you are new to the channel, please do subscribe and turn on the notification bell icon to get notified every time we upload new videos. Now let's get started. First of all, open your web browser, then on the search bar type in BetMGM. Once you press enter, you will get these kind of results. From this, click on the first link, then it will ask you to select your location. Now from this list, select your location. And once you have done so, it will take you to its home page. Once you're on this page, you'll have to log into your account, and if you don't have an account, you can create one by clicking on this register button, and if you already do have an account, click on this login button. Once you click on it, it will ask you to enter your login details, so enter your credential on these boxes, then click on this login button. And in case if you have forgotten your password, you can click on this link to reset it. Once you have clicked on the login button, you'll be logged into your account, and once you're logged in, what you'll have to do is click on your profile at the top right corner. And once this menu opens up, you'll have to click on this option where it says Betting Preferences. Once you click on it, select this third option that says Odds Display. Once you click on it, it will give you three options: US, Fraction and EU. You'll have to select third option to get decimal and then click on this Save button. Once you have done so, your odds will be displayed in decimal from now on. So this is how you do it. I hope this video was helpful, and if it was, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe, and turn on the notification bell icon to get notified every time we upload new videos. And I'll catch you in the next one.